Hi friends! Today we are going to be doing my monthly setup. For this month's theme I decided to do a pink watercolor theme, as you can see me doing here. Quick note, I am so excited that January is almost over. I am just ready for a new month and a fresh start again. While that page dries, I went over to my other page and used this page as my trackers. So I'm setting up my habit tracker, as you can see here, and writing down the different habits that I want to work on. And then after that I am going to be setting up a migraine tracker. January has been a very hard month for me and my health and my migraines. I've had a migraine almost every single day, and I figured I would try to keep track of them a little bit better in my journal. And oh my gosh guys, I realized while editing that I spelled migraines wrong. That's gonna bother the crap out of me, so I'm going to see if I can fix that in some way. And then the next page is going to be my title page. And guys, all of my watercolor that I did is actually done without watercolor paints, so let me know if you would like a video, next video probably, on how to do watercolor without watercolor paints. I would totally be doing that. And on the next page, of course sticking with the watercolor theme, I decided to keep this layout same as the layout I did for January. I just like the classic layout much better. It's easier, more visual for me, so I kept it super simple and just did the same like monthly layout as last month. This is probably how I'll do every month. And then I realized I forgot a week, so much easier fix this month than my mess up last month. Just added that on the end there. Along the side I do a little quote that says, "Don't forget to love yourself," because January has been a really hard month for me, and I know that February is really hard for some people, but it's just really important in the month of love to also love yourself and get back on track. And then here you can see me with my totally botched rose. I hated the way it turned out and tried to fix it with some watercolors, but that's alright. Lesson learned. It still kind of turned out kind of cute, I guess. And then for my first week of February, I decided to do a different layout than I've been doing, and I did a vertical layout, I believe. This is kind of like a vertical, horizontal layout. You can kind of see what I'm doing, but I also decided to include the weather for the week. I thought that would be really cute. And did you guys catch that little clip of my cat jumping up on the table? That's story of my life. And again, incorporating the watercolor. Then I decided to go back because I didn't really like how light the pink lines were, so I went in with a darker pink to kind of tie it in a little bit better than the light pink. So yeah, there is my monthly setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in my next one, and in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys!